Well, only on 4 local leaders and families speak out about new numbers showing more black people in our community killed.
And NBC4's Rob Sneed has been taking a look at these numbers. He's been comparing them from February of last year to February of this year, and there is apparently a rise that more people are getting concerned about.
It certainly is. You have your local black leaders speaking out. You have families that had victims of crimes who died to gun violence speaking out as well. Certainly a very devastating topic, really, to talk about within this community. Now, the increase is alarming to many leaders and families. Now, they say that more needs to be done to bring those numbers down.
You see these images in the news almost daily. Another shooting here, another murder there. Most of these in black communities.
I was on the other side as well, and I always, my heart went out to people who lost one of their loved ones, but when you're affected by it yourself, it's a different life.
Almost 4 months ago, someone shot and killed KEEANDRA Brown's son, Brendan, just 18 years old.
I know what I went through, and so I know how other people feel as well. And it's hurtful to watch. It's like every time I see a young man get killed around my son's age, I really feel for that parent. Like, I know what they're going through, and it hurts.
Brendan's killer is still out there. The number of black homicides has gone up 20% in February compared to the same time last year.
Just very disappointed and concerned about what's happening around violence. What I would like for us to do as a community is to stop the finger pointing, but let's really look at how we can come up with solutions.
Columbus Urban League CEO Stephanie Hightower is aware of the numbers. Every day it's her mission to provide poor kids with programs to help fight gun violence and gangs. But she says it's going to take more.
We're getting ready to have another summer where we're going to have young people that will be unemployed, and so how can the business community, work alongside entities like the Columbus Urban League to look at job training and job opportunities for those young people?
Brown agrees, and as she waits for Columbus police to find her son's killer, she wants the black community to just unite.
It's going to take for all of us to come together, really, and for these kids to really start caring about life.
This past weekend, Brown celebrated her son's birthday. He would have been 19 years old. Anyone with any information about his death is asked to call police. Rob Sneed, NBC4.